Cat paw earrings are officially the cutest trend right now. Sweet and just sassy enough to make you smile. I'm Patty, a jewelry designer at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. With a little wire and a few crystal pearls, we'll whip up a pair that are boutique chic, but so easy to make. So let's bring these to life.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
First, we're going to look at what we're going to make here. Look at these cute cat paw earrings. We have them in a really soft white with gold accents. They're so trendy. This is what we'll make today. But I made a few pair so you can see some variations. So look at these little tiny pair in pink. I love them. And then I made a black pair for those of you who have black cats out there. I know there are fans. I've had black cats all my life and I love them. And look at these. These are so cute with the little yarn balls made of wire with little cat paw attached. So let's go ahead and get into making these cat paw earrings. So we're going to start with our materials. Let me show you what we're working with. We've got these beautiful soft white crystal pearls in a large and a very small. They do need to be a couple sizes apart to work for you to get all of the little toe beans onto the paw. Then we're going to use some 20 gauge gold parawire and some gold ear wires. That's all there is to these earrings. Quick, simple, and beautiful. So let's go ahead and make these. So here we've got our example. We'll have 4 little toe beans here. We'll go ahead and get those out. And 1 crystal pearl. Then I'm going to get a length of gold wire. I'm going to finger straighten it just a little bit. You don't have to straighten it too much. And we'll cut that off. You don't need very much. And the first thing I'll do is string on the main pearl here, like that. And then I'm going to put 2 of the tiny pearls on either side. So there's 1 and 2. There we go. There's one side. I'm going to flip it around. And I'm going to put 2 of the little pearls on the other side. These are so soft and feminine, and they're so much fun to wear. I was really excited to get to make these for you. Get the other one on there. And 1 last small pearl. Okay, once you've got those all strung on, this is so easy. The first thing I'll do is move the pearls out just about 1 millimeter or so from the main pearl, so there's just a tiny bit of space there, because we need a little bit of space for the bend, maybe just a little bit more. There we go, not that much. Get that kind of centered. There we go. I feel that's pretty good. Whoop, it keeps slipping around, doesn't it? There we go. Okay, then bring the ends up to cross evenly. And we want the little pearls to come up and around the paw on both sides. You kind of move them around a little bit so they work just right. And so there we're pretty close. What I'm going to do is take chain nose pliers, and I'm going to put a bend in the wire near 1 pearl just about 1 millimeter away on one side. Just like that. Now I'm going to take the other wire and I'm going to pull it really tight around that. Really use a lot of force. And I'm going to go around a couple of times. And then I'm going to cut that wire in the back. And so now I have my little cat paw. Next, I'm going to make a wrapped loop. Well, I'm just going to leave a couple of millimeters space here and make a 90-degree bend, like that. And then I'll bring in my round nose pliers and just go around those. Take the barrel out and put the other barrel back in. And then we have a really nice loop at the top. Then I'll take my chain nose pliers and I'm just going to grip that whole loop. Just like that. Kind of toward the side. I don't really want the tip to impede my wrapping. So then I'm going to grab a pair of pliers. I actually like to use round nose to wrap, but you can use chain nose too. And you're going to bring that around. And we filled up all the space there. I'm going to cut that off. Right nice and close to the wraps. And so you have your little cat paw. Then I'm going to come back in with my chain nose pliers. And where I cut that off, I'm going to kind of squeeze around in a little circle to tuck that tail in so it's not sharp. And if you need to adjust this at all, you just use your chain nose pliers. And there we go. All we need to do is add the ear wire. So I'm going to grab the ear wire, open it sideways with my chain nose pliers, and just add on that loop. We'll close it up. And there you have your really sweet little cat paw. Isn't that great? Your earrings are officially perfection. Don't forget to tag us when you make your own. Like, share, subscribe, and sign up for our email newsletter. Links to that and to today's materials are in the description box below. Until next time, stay positive and keep making jewelry magic.